Alright, we've been boiling for a little bit now. Not long, probably about like 20 or so minutes. We're going to add a couple of slices of butter here. Throw it in the pot. Melt away. Alright. And a little bit of that. Like a little swirl. There we go. Or a dump. However you want to do it. Pour it in. And the sugar. This is half cups. This is a half cup measuring one. So that's 1 cup. And that's 2 cups so far. Let's get this stirred in there. I'm more of a taster than a let's just pour it all in. Last time we tried to follow directions to a T. We had our orange marmalade that we made. We followed like it was 6 or 8 cups of sugar. And our oranges off our tree were so sweet as it is. We put that much in there. It's like super sweet marmalade. So I am going to make sure this is toned down a little bit. I know it's lemons, but still, don't want to make it over sweet. Kind of want that tart flavor too. Let it bring it back to a boil. Oh, now that sugar dissolves, taste it. And if it's the taste that I'm looking for, then I won't add no more sugar. If it's not, then I will add some more sugar.